Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. This is episode 6 of our series, Mastering Gratitude with 4 Bodies. In our previous episodes, we focused deeply on your internal world, your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies, as well as your angelic support team. Now we are taking that high frequency and directing it outward. Today, we explore gratitude for relationships. Relationships are often the clearest mirrors of our own energy. Whether they are past connections, present bonds, or future partnerships, they hold the keys to our soul's learning. In this meditation, we will invoke specific gratitude frequencies to heal and harmonize your connections, clearing the way for deeper love and respect. Find a comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Let's begin. Before we begin, let us gently create a safe and supported space. I invite your higher self, the wisdom of your soul, and the collective angelic team aligned with love, harmony, and truth to be present with us now. Please surround this space with protection. Support this meditation with clarity, gentleness, and healing. Allow only energies aligned with the highest good, with full respect for free will. You don't need to see anything. You don't need to feel anything special. Just allow the quiet sense that this space is held and supported. Now, allow yourself to arrive. There is nothing you need to change, nothing you need to resolve, nothing you need to forgive yet. You don't need to feel grateful immediately. Just allow yourself to be here exactly as you are. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of the breath. Notice how it flows in and flows out without effort. Feel the physical body being supported, held by the space beneath you. Let the body soften enough to feel safe, even briefly. Now, notice the emotional space within. Perhaps there is warmth, tension, sadness, relief, or neutrality. Whatever is present is welcome. The emotional body does not need to protect you right now. It does not need to hold the past. Allow it to soften just a little. Thoughts may arise, memories, faces, conversations, unfinished stories. There is no need to follow them. For this moment, the mind does not need to analyze relationships. It only needs to allow a new frequency to enter. Now, gently invite your higher self forward. The aspect of you that has lived many lifetimes, many relationships, many expressions of love and connection. Silently or out loud, you may say, I invite my higher self to activate the frequency of gratitude that my soul has already mastered across all lifetimes. Allow this soul-level gratitude to flow now into my physical body, my emotional body, my mental body, and my spiritual body. Not as effort, but as remembrance. From this gentle space, we turn our attention toward relationships, not just romantic ones, but all connections, family, friends, partners, colleagues, strangers who touched your life briefly, and even those who challenged you. Relationships are where the soul learns, and gratitude allows learning to complete. Begin by sensing the field of relationships around you. You don't need to visualize faces clearly, just notice the feeling of connection. And gently, silently, or out loud, begin to offer gratitude. Thank you for the relationships that brought love, support, and safety. Thank you for the people who walked beside me when I needed companionship. Now allow gratitude to gently extend to relationships that were difficult. You are not asked to excuse harm. You are not asked to reopen wounds, only to acknowledge that learning occurred. Thank you for the lessons I gained. Thank you for the strength I discovered. Thank you for the boundaries I learned to honor. Allow gratitude to reach relationships from the past without needing contact, without needing resolution. Let gratitude bring completion where the mind still holds questions. Now, gently invite the collective angelic team to support this integration. Silently or out loud, you may say, I invite the collective angelic team to activate and integrate gratitude frequencies into all 4 bodies. Please allow this gratitude to harmonize my past relationships, my present connections, and my future relationships. Let gratitude flow into every interaction, every bond, and every meeting of souls, known and unknown. Allow this frequency to align my relationships with clarity, respect, and balance. Notice how gratitude does not erase memory, but softens its charge. Notice how the body responds when relationships are held with appreciation rather than tension. You don't need to force peace, just allow gratitude to settle naturally where it belongs. This gratitude is now known to your emotional body as harmony. It is known to your mental body as clarity and release. It is known to your physical body as relaxation. And it is known to your spiritual body as alignment. This frequency is gently sealed across all 4 bodies and across your relational field. When you're ready, begin to sense the space around you, the room, the sounds, the body resting here. Bring this gratitude with you into conversations, into presence, into how you meet others. Gratitude does not bind you to the past. It frees you from it. As you walk forward, your relationships can meet you from a new frequency. You can return to this space anytime you wish to restore harmony within and around you. Thank you for sharing this healing space with me. Relationships are dynamic. When you shift your frequency, the dance changes. Take notice of how people respond to you in the coming days. You may find more softness, more clarity, or simply more peace in your interactions. Now that we have harmonized our internal bodies and our relationships, we are ready for the next step, material abundance. In our next episode, episode 7, we will be focusing on gratitude for material things. We will explore how to appreciate what you already own and, very importantly, how to offer gratitude for the things you are yet to own, to magnetically invite them into your reality. It is a powerful practice for manifestation. Please subscribe to the BodyMaitre channel so you don't miss it. I'm Derek, and I will see you in the next episode.